Hello everyone. Today I want to show you the Infinity Pro Diff. It's the rear differential that comes standard in the new IF14-2 car. It's a differential. And today I want to show you how to build the diff. So first step, take everything out, the bags. So the gears are already separated from each other, so I usually check there's no plastic sticking out, but everything is quite smooth. Here there's a little bit of plastic, so I take a small file and I make it flat and smooth here. So this one is fairly nice, so no need. This is finished already. It's fairly smooth. That's it. The washers and the O-rings and the bearings, because this diff comes with bearings. It's quite unique to have a differential with bearings inside. Makes the work a lot smoother. So today I will build it with 8000. It's an Infinity diff oil. And first thing we're gonna do, we buy the manual, is the O-ring. Put the O-ring inside the diff case. So I usually use diff oil, maybe 500. So it's a little bit, put a drop of diff oil, make it smooth, and you have to push the O-ring inside. So the diff have to push inside. It's kind of heavy, but it has to go all the way inside, and after you put the bearing in it. If the O-ring is not completely inside, the bearing won't go inside as well. This piece is the piece that holds the outdrives to put the washer, and it clicks through the other side, and then we put the outdrive with the pin and an O-ring. Be a little bit gentle with the O-ring, and I always check if there's a little bit of play, and there is, and it goes smooth, and because of the silicone oil it's already smooth. I'll do the same with the other side. Put some light silicone oil inside. I have a hex wrench. You can push the O-ring inside. You can also do that with a big plier. Then the bearing. Click. Again, the outdrive holder with the washer. Click. Outdrive. There's the pin. The O-ring that holds the pin, and check again the play. So you can put the big gear already inside here, and now the trick comes. I have a weight scale, and with the weight scale I want to check the exact weight of the oil that you put inside. So you first put 0 and you fill it up till 1.4 gram. That's a little bit the standard weight, and that's all about how much silicone goes inside. It's the volume is very important. So now it's 1.45 gram, that's fine. If you put too much weight, so too much volume of oil inside the diff can't work when it's in the car, because you have too much pressure and the diff will not work in a proper way. So I recommend to use around 1.4 to 1.5 gram of silicone weight. So now I will put the 4 gears, small gears in, put it on top. So the gears are inside now. I gently push it down and check. Then I put the big gear on top. So now I'm gonna close the diff by putting the O-ring over, and this piece has to be at the same side as this, so we're gonna flip it. And now we can close it with the 1.5. And it's very important not to over tight the screws, because if you over tight, the thread inside the diff case gonna be worn out very quickly. Tie them up very equal, and again, don't tie them too much. So that's it. Check if the movement is fine, and so this